Hello and welcome to Retire on My Budget. Today we'll compare the cities in USA versus the world where you can live or retire in 2022. New York, United States. Average monthly net salary $6,341.67. Apartment outside of center $2,079.97. Healthcare system index 62.37. Pollution index 57.66. Traffic index 161.83. Crime index 47.35. Chicago, United States. Average monthly net salary $5,193.27. Apartment outside of center $1,205.31. Healthcare system index 62.37. Pollution index 48.12. Traffic index 190.45. Crime index 65.23. Los Angeles, United States. Average monthly net salary $5,022.57. Apartment outside of center $1,668.88. Healthcare system index 61.04. Pollution index 66.84. Traffic index 345.06. Crime index 48.74. Merida, Mexico. Average monthly net salary $399.35. Apartment outside of center $199.45. Healthcare system index 86.3. Pollution index 40.46. Traffic index 126.74. Crime index 24.9. Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. Average monthly net salary $472.56. Apartment outside of center $203.79. Healthcare system index 70.37. Pollution index 64.22. Traffic index 114.39. Crime index 52.5. Chiang Mai, Thailand. Average monthly net salary $494.56. Apartment outside of center $286.28. Healthcare system index 83.81. Pollution index 77.08. Traffic index 112.27. Crime index 23.7. Tamarindo, Costa Rica. Average monthly net salary $560.23. Apartment outside of center $533.42. Healthcare system index 61.11. Pollution index 51.72. Traffic index 156.41. Crime index 60.08. Porto, Portugal. Average monthly net salary $978.31. Apartment outside of center $577.24. Healthcare system index 75.2. Pollution index 35.12. Traffic index 138.03. Crime index 35.83. Panama City, Panama. Average monthly net salary $815.32. Apartment outside of center $538.10. Healthcare system index 78.28. Pollution index 64.47. Crime index 47.07. Lyon, France. Average monthly net salary $2,729.79. Apartment outside of center $633.05. Healthcare system index 78.28. Pollution index 50.96. Crime index 47.17. You can use retireonmybudget.com and compare various cities based on your preferred budget. Go to retireonmybudget.com, register and start comparing. You can select the preferred budget from the drop-down and see the qualified cities on the map. Zoom in the map and click on any city you want to compare. Once you have added all the cities, you can save your search. If you like the video, then hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments. Feel free to try retireonmybudget.com and compare for yourself.